Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we already discussed the physical and chemical properties of plasma and functions of hemolymph. In today's lecture, we will discuss on the topic that is types of hemocytes. Hemocytes are blood cells. They change their appearance and shape from time to time even in the same insect, and they can distorted in shape by fixation, staining and other procedures used in the collecting and processing the hemolymph. Procedures for the examine and classifying hemocytes have not been standardized or agreed upon, and various classification and morphological types have been published. Arnold has classified hemocytes into 9 types. So, let's see them one by one. The first is prohemocytes, or it is also known as proleukocytes. These are round shape and smallest hemocytes, about 6 to 13 micrometer in diameter. They give rise to plasmatocytes, and plasmatocytes in turn give rise to the granulocytes, in turn give rise to spherule cells. Thus, prohematocytes serves as a stem cells. They stain heavily with the right stain. These cells have high nucleus cytoplasm ratio because nucleus is large in size and occupy about 70 to 80% of total cell volume. They form less than 5% of total hemocyte in the hemolymph. The cells have ribosomes and mitochondria, but only little endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. The prohemocytes are not mobile and do not participate in phagocytosis. The function of this type is prohemocytes are a kind of stem cells as they give rise to other types of hemocytes. The second one is plasmatocytes, or it is also known as amoebocytes. Plasmatocytes or plasmacytes are small to large size and polymorphic cells. They may be round or spindle shaped with the size ranging between 40 to 50 micrometer. Cytoplasm either granular or agranular. The cytoplasmocytes are one of the most abundant hemocytes in the hemolymph of insects and represent up to 305 of total hemocytes count. And the function is plasmatocytes contain lysosomal enzymes, that is acid hydrolase, and they participate in phagocytosis, encapsulation, nodule formation and wound healing. The third one is granulocytes. Granular hemocytes or granulocytes arise from plasmatocytes. They are variable in shape, usually spherical or oval, up to 45 micrometer in size. The nucleus is small. Cytoplasm contains high number of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. The cytoplasm is granular as it contains large number of membrane-bound granules derived from the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Granules contain glycoproteins and mucopolysaccharides. The function is granulocytes discharge their content or degranulate over the surface of intruding microorganism as early part of the defense. So they may also be phagocytic in some insects. The fourth one is spherule cells, or it is also known as spherulocytes. These are ovoid to round cells up to about 25 micrometer in length. The nucleus is indistinct. They are characterized by presence of number of large refractile spirules, which may be occupy 90% of the cytoplasm. The spirules stain positive to acid mucopolysaccharides. So, spirulocytes are not usually very common, although they are found in most of the insects studied. Their function is unknown, but they may be participate in phagocytosis. The next type is adipohemocytes, or it is also known as adipocytes. They may be small or large in size and spherical to oval in shape. They are characterized by the presence of lipid droplets. Nuclei are eccentric in position and nucleus cytoplasm ratio is low. Then the cytoplasm of these cells contain well-developed network of endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus. So, adipocytes may be the plasmocytes filled with the lipids under certain physiological conditions. The functions are not known with certainty. However, as they contain lipid droplets, they may be involved in storage and distribution of lipids. Then the next is coagulate or crystallocytes. These are mainly found in Lepidoptera, Orthoptera and Coleoptera. These cells have also been called as a hyaline hemocytes and cryptocytes. The nucleus is large and cytoplasm contains abundant granules, but usually smaller amount of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. The cytoplasm of coagulopathies is hyaline. Under the phase contrast microscope, these cells are nearly transparent and hence the name is hyaline hemocytes. These cells rupture within seconds after injury or after taking hemolymph sample from an insect and initiate the clotting process. So, however, hemolymph of the some insect does not coagulate, that is in the Apis mellifera, that is honeybee. The function is these cells are involved in the coagulation of hemolymph. The seventh type is oonocytoids, or it is also known as crystal cells. Oonocytoids are variable in size, often large, may be binucleate and lyse easily, but do not cause hemolymph coagulation when they lyse. Oonocytoids occur mainly in Lepidoptera, where they are amongst and largest of the hemocytes. They exhibit little development of the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, but they have complex array of microtubules and sometimes crystalline inclusion. These cells are non-phagocytic in nature. Some evidence indicates that the oonocytoids contain crystals of prophenolodixase. So, an activation form of phenolodixidase. Oonocytoids should not be confused with the oonocytoids, that is cells found in among fat body cells and scattered among epidermal cells in many insects. Oonocytes are not blood cells. The function is unknown. Then next is podocytes or stellate cells. These are stellate-shaped cells with large central nucleus. They are characterized by large number of radiating permanent podia. Then podocytes occur in some Lepidoptera and Diptera like Prodernia and Sarcophaga respectively. Then the last one is nematocytes. Vermiform hemocytes or nematocytes are thread-like spindle-shaped cells. Cytoplasm is granular and basophilic. Nematocytes are reported in the last instar larva of Prodernia. According to some workers, the podocytes and nematocytes are the variant of plasmatocytes. Hence, there are only 7 main types of hemocytes.